Good morning and welcome back to Ingenuity. Today's a big day. We're going to get those manifolds cleaned up, we got to get them welded up, and we're going to get them back on the truck. Got a big day ahead of us, so let's do this. Let's go! Alright, one. We did one. Woo! One down. Let's keep going. I suppose I should stop and kind of tell you what I'm doing. So, I have a problem. I would not be able to put this truck back together if I didn't do something to increase its performance. What I'm about to do is incredibly debatable on the level of performance, given that this is not a high-performing engine to begin with. But I can't help myself, I have to do it. So what I'm doing is gasket matching the exhaust manifolds to the gaskets to create a seamless exhaust flow, so as the exhaust gas exits the cylinder head, it goes right through the exhaust manifold and out the exhaust. There's no hindrance, because what happens is, you see this yellow mark that I marked on each one of these. These are areas that are exposed as the exhaust gas exits the cylinder head, hits that, and creates turbulence. So we're going to knock those edges down, we're going to smooth that out, and the end result will then be that the exhaust gas is going to be able to freely exit the cylinder head through the exhaust and make its way through the rest of the restrictive exhaust system. But hey, I can't help myself, I have to. So we're gonna bang that out. Let's do it. Okay, so here's a quick close-up so you can see. You see how there's no restriction here at all. This has all been smoothed out. This all matches exactly. Over here, you see we have the yellow exposed around here. That's where the exhaust is gonna hit. bottom one's easy to get to. Oh, I say that now, I haven't actually tried. I can see it. There's more than I can say for the top one. And there's so much shit's gonna rain down on me. I hope this works. We're having fun, right? This is fun. Doing car things. Yeah. Falling hardware. Now, if this side was like this, the other side's gonna be a joy. Oh yeah. There she goes. There she goes. When in doubt, shove your fingers in, poke around, and hope for the best. That's a sage piece of advice. I can feel the metal cutting my finger. Oh, we're too committed. I can't even back out. Get off me. Ow. Got my Jedi hood on. Protects me from the scrag here. There's that one. How in blue blazes are you supposed to get through? Alright, that sucked, but the exhaust is done, so suspension time. I know I've talked about it in my other videos, but it is imperatively crucial that when you're installing any kind of suspension component with a bushing, that you load the suspension to its natural ride height. That way the bushing doesn't get bound up in a position that's not. So if you do tighten these up when they're fully drooped, what will happen is when it goes to its natural position, it's going to be in a twisted state and it's going to wear out prematurely. So just cover yourself, make sure you do that. This is just the most awkward. Alright. There we have it. New control arm in. Just gotta put the grease fitting in, throw some grease in there. She's set. On to the next side. Alright, we're gonna play a game called How Many Dugga Duggas? Now let's see if it divorces itself. On that note, it's time to call it a night. See you guys tomorrow.